Do you want to sing?
No, you.
You sure?
No, you.
Okay. What am I singing about?
My house.
Emily has a new house. It's made from a chair. We put a sheet on top of it, and now it has a door and a window. There's a balloon in her living room, and she's got magazines for flowers in her garden, where she's now sitting on a froggy stool.
And again.
Again? Do I get any applause? Do I get any claps? Thank you very much, audience. You're lovely.
Bow.
You're a beautiful audience. Thank you. You take a bow.
No.
Do you want to sing?
No, you.
Okay. What am I singing about now?
My God, the house.
You sing a song.
No, you.
Come on.
No,
Emily has a house and she's sitting in her garden.